Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. Ooh, it's like crazy, isn't it? I have been working from home this is my first week. I usually have Friday afternoon through Monday as my days off. So I work Tuesday through 1 o'clock on Friday. And it's been crazy. I've actually not left the house all week, but I was for a brief time there. I was trying to find toilet paper for my mom. I had plenty. Well, I don't know. I bought a package and I still had some at home, but that was before all this toilet paper craze happened. And then everybody's like, because I left it in the car because I only bring like a bunch of things in at a time. And so the toilet paper is like, oh, I can get that on a, time when I don't have anything else to bring in. So one of my friends are like, you have toilet paper? I'm like, yeah, what's going on? And that's when they told me, like, all of a sudden toilet paper is like flying off the shelves. People are hoarding it, like hoarding way more than they'll probably even use in a year. So that's pretty sad. And I said, oh yeah, I still had some at home, but I wasn't sure when I went shopping, the week before all the craziness hit. So I just threw it in my cart. Thank goodness. But that amount of toilet paper usually lasts me about a month. Okay, that's a month with me going to work, 4 days a week. So I don't really know how long it's going to last me. I just ran out of what I had under my cabinet, so I just had to open it. Anyway, so my mom didn't get any because it was her shopping week when all the craziness happened. And she wasn't able to get any more and needed it. And she's elderly. She cannot go out. So I spent 2 tanks of gas, 3 days running to like 7 stores. I did finally find some for her and a little bit more backup for me. So we should be okay for a while. I just wish people would stop and think about other people other than themselves. When has the world ever run out of toilet paper? I don't know. I don't think the world has ever run out of toilet paper until now. And it's not because they're running out of toilet paper. It's because people are hoarding it. I just think that's awful. But anyways, let's just not talk about that. I wanted to show you my work at home setup. The first day was rough. I had some extra work to do. So I really actually should have worked on Monday, but they didn't want to bother me on my day off. I'm like, seriously, guys. So it was crunch time. I ended up working till 5 o'clock on Friday, which I usually get off at 1. And, oh no, I worked until 6 o'clock on Friday. But I made my deadline. It just took me an extra long time to run my reports. It was a little slow Friday evening. It was like, hey, go home. But anyway, so once I found out, we had our online team meeting and then our online one-on-one meetings with our supervisor. And I had mentioned to him that I was going to call Best Buy to figure out what I need to make my TV screen my second monitor. Because working on my laptop small monitor wasn't good. It was taking me so much longer because I work with spreadsheets and a program and I've got I'm constantly between that. So I really need a second screen. Anyways, so he told me how. Oh my gosh, made my life so much easier. So happy. Gucci, she's sleeping on the couch right now. She's crazy. Out of our first, when our team meeting was, she was barking at me because I woke her up from her nap. And every time I said something, she barked. I'm like, oh my gosh. Then the second day, she's just sitting there looking at me. She was on the floor in her bed, not on the couch in her bed. And she's just looking at me like, what are you doing home? And then she started getting a little grouchy because I wasn't going anywhere and I wasn't giving her treat balls. So I did give her treat balls on Tuesday. I actually love working from home now that everything's working out great. I can clean on my breaks. The first day I was almost late for work. Yeah, from my bed to the desk. I was almost late for work. So I prepped my dinner on my break and I took my shower on my lunch. That's actually pretty cool. Actually, I'm liking this. Plus, I can clean up and dishes and, it's not like I have to come home from work and have all this work to do. So I am really, really loving it. Yeah, I do love it. I love it. I love working from home. It's pretty cool so far anyway. So that's pretty fun. I will show you my setup, and then I did some online shopping, some nail stuff that I thought you guys would like to look at, and then I'm going to be working on swatches this weekend. So it's been a little while since I vlogged my apartment. I live in a studio apartment, so there's my kitchen. It's actually a pretty nice size. The bathroom is over there. Really, actually a good size bathroom. I'll let you guys peek because it's clean. And then I've got all kinds of closet space. And then there's the outside. So we could take a quick look. This is my view. I love it. There's Gucci. That's her bed on the couch. And her other bed is down there. And that's a year-round tree. It's not a Christmas tree. But however, it does double for a Christmas tree at Christmas time. So over here is my table. And this is my desk. And my desk was converted to my nail polish station not too long ago. My boyfriend helped me build the extra shelves up here in the hutch. And we've got extra shelves over there. Everything in here is nail polish related stuff. The containers over there on that bookcase are shoes. And there is more nail polish over here. And those are, actually, those right there are, those are all LED lights. I was sent a whole bunch of them for review. And then I had bought one myself. And then this is the cool stuff we're going to be looking at in a moment. So that's where I work on with my nail polish. And then back here is my bed. It's kind of back behind some bookcases. And there's bookcases over there. These are actually the bookcases that the bed is behind. And over here I have Alexa. Alexa, say hi.
Hello.
There you go. She said hi to you guys. And then I have my wax warmer here. And then I got a mister from my daughter for Christmas. All right, guys, I'm new to this, but when it blows mist in the air, does that mist like get all over everything? I'm kind of thinking yes. Tell me what you guys do with the mister, where you put it so that the spray doesn't get all over. I'd really like to know more about the mister. So here's my TV in the other half of this closet, my entertainment center. And this is also where I work. The first day I worked from my desk, which was super uncomfortable. So now I work from the couch and I love it. I can look out the window. I've got plenty of light. That TV screen makes an awesome second monitor. And I'm just very comfy and cozy. Right now I'm kind of using this tray on my lap. It doesn't have any legs or anything on it. So I've been kind of going back and forth whether I should buy one of those little things that have the legs that sits on top of your couch. If any of you have those, what are your thoughts? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know. I'm really interested in hearing some opinions on those from anybody who's ever used one. So I'm up over 2,000 subscribers now. Thank you, everyone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are watching this, consider subscribing. Leave comments. I mean, it's nice to chat with you guys, you know, your thoughts on my videos or whatever. Let's take a look at what I got. I don't have any unboxing of it because I sprayed everything down with Lysol, unboxed it, got those boxes out, wiped down everything with some wipes, and I don't know. I just heard that you should probably do that. So I was like, all right, I'm reasonably sure it's been over 3 days that this stuff has been in transit, and most of it probably hasn't even been touched, but you know what, let's just be safe, and so I did it. So let's take a quick look at what I bought, and then there'll be some some swatch videos coming up. So this is some of the stuff that I bought from Zoya. They had a surprise 70% off sale, which I was really happy with because I always purchase some stuff from them on their 70% off sale, and I missed it, or I always purchase from them on their Black Friday sale, which is 50% off. However, I missed it this year. I was super bummed. I can't believe that I forgot to place my order. Basically, what I bought last year was the Naked Manicure Healing Hand Cream and the serum, which the serum lasts a lot longer than the hand cream. I should have probably had about 3 bottles of this to last me a year. And I like the Remover Plus. Back here, I love this, and this lasted me over a year. I was just like on the verge of running out. So I was super bummed that I missed that Black Friday sale. Then they had a 70% off sale, and oh my gosh, I missed that too. I like remembered to order, but it was already past midnight, so the sale was over. And so I was super bummed, and I'm like, oh my gosh. Basically because I really needed a remover, and I really like it. So, and Ulta stopped carrying the remover. I went to get it. They had like a $5 off coupon, a $10 purchase, and their remover actually is $10. So I'm like, okay, that's good. That'll take me, you know, that'll be a while. Well, then they didn't have it, and then they never got it back in stock, and then they quit carrying it. So I was like almost out. Then 70% off sale just popped up, and I'm like, thank goodness. So now I get remover. I got this overnight intensive foot repair balm. I love this stuff. This stuff makes your feet like really hard. I mean, your hard feet like super soft in like a matter of 1 or 2 days, depending on how your feet are. I love it. So I decided to try the overnight intensive hand repair balm, and I love this. This is very nice. It goes on thick. However, by the time you wake up, it's fine. I also decided to try the Intense Total Hydrating Therapy Lotion, and I like that. And I bought myself I only bought myself one of the Healing and Hand Cream because I was trying all these other hand creams, and I was pretty sure that all of this was going to last me until next year anyway. Then I also tried this. I saw this, and this is a lotion and a sugar scrub. Sugar scrub? Did I say that right? Anyways, it is a 8.5 ounce bottle of lotion, so it's the same size as this one here, and then a 7 ounce sugar scrub. I'll pull it out for you. So this is great. Oh, my little bottles of nail polish fell down. This is a great size, and this is their tri-pack. So each one of these is sold separately. One is like $16 and one I think was $18, but this whole set was just $24, and of course I got 70% off of it. So I was trying to figure out a scent. Now I normally like orange scents or peach, which I don't think they had peach. So I decided to try grapefruit, and then I have back there, I have mandarin honey, and I have strawberry. Decided to try all of those, and I have tried the grapefruit, and I really like that. That's very nice. I bought some new colors in nail polish. I'll swatch those for you if you guys want to see that in another video. And then I decided to try this Intense Lip Therapy Balm. Like, why not? It's 70% off. So I got all of this with shipping was a little over $100, and since I used PayPal, I have 6 months to pay for it, so I didn't think that was bad. And on my paper, it said I saved $232.40, so I'm pretty excited about that. Now on this side of the desk, I went a little crazy. I'm starting to really like Sinful Colors as a inexpensive nail polish brand to be able to share with you guys in my videos. I was reading the ingredients in it, and it says it's 3 free, so it doesn't have formaldehyde and a couple other things that I cannot pronounce. But when I checked it out with Zoya's polish, Zoya, I believe, is 5 free. So I took those 5 ingredients and I looked for them in here, and they don't have those ingredients either. So these are actually 5 free, and I thought that was super cool. Now the neons run for about $2.98 a bottle at Walmart. I believe you can still get these separately at some Walmart stores. However, I bought this collection from Target. It was like 16 something for the collection, And it was on sale, 15% off, and then I got another 5% off because I used my Target card, and then I got free shipping. Now this little 6-piece set over here is their favorites collection, and I got that collection for $7 something, plus then minus 15% and minus 5%. And so I thought, wow, this is like a totally awesome sale. I was like super excited to get this. And I do have one more collection that I went and purchased in the store, and that's that, is it Cherry Bliss or Quick Bliss? I think it's Quick Bliss collection. Oh, and I got another one. I got Naked something. Oh, Naked Nudes or something like that. Or Naughty Nudes. Naughty Nudes. Sorry about that. So I will swatch those for you. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the quick little vlog. I enjoyed making this one. It's been a while since I've vlogged anything. And I will be coming up with some swatch videos. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. I know I still have some Stamping 101 videos that I want to make. And feel free to leave me comments, chat in the comments section. That would be great. Now, I don't really have anything else to do except for sit at home and surf on social media, watch my TV while I'm not at work. And obviously, I'm going to swatch a lot of polishes for you. So I hope you enjoy that. And I will try to get some really cool nail art. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. And that's it for now. So catch you later. Bye.